How to recover old WhatsApp deleted messages. So if you want to recover old WhatsApp deleted messages, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. After having your internet connection, you need to go with your search and search for files. And from the files, you need to just scroll down and go with internal storage. From the internal storage, you need to scroll down and then go with the WhatsApp section. You can go with Android Media, and under your Android Media you will have com.whatsapp. You need to go with that, and here you will have a WhatsApp folder. Under WhatsApp you will have shared or media, so you just need to simply go with it, and here you will have a lot of WhatsApp folders. You will have your profile pictures, you will have your WhatsApp documents, images, videos, and everything. So here you will have all of your backup information. So don't rely on this files, because you need to have a backup, because if you don't have a backup you won't be able to restore your WhatsApp chat. So you can open up your WhatsApp and go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and then go with your settings. Under settings you can go with chats, and from your chats you can go with chat backup, and then make sure that you've backed up. Go with backup, and it will all back up on your Google account or on your drive. So once it's backed up, you need to just scroll down and then go with your backup account, which might be your Google Drive or your Google account. And once you've backed up, you can go with your files and you'll have all of your messages or all of your information right here. So that's how you can recover your old WhatsApp deleted messages. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.